Welcome back to the Telling African AI Stories course. In Module 1, our ideation tool helped you answer one big question. Should I pursue this story? Once it's a yes, the next question you'll probably ask yourself is, how do I actually produce it? Welcome to Module 2, the Story Blueprint. Whether you're creating stories for a personal channel, a major news network, an NGO, or a corporate brand, mapping out the details beforehand yields better results.
God, I have to finish this. Almost there. Keep going.
Burnout runs rampant in the media, creative, and journalism sectors, partly because figuring things out on the go has become standard practice. The creative and journalism sectors, partly because figuring things out on the go has become standard practice. But when it's not breaking news or an unexpected event, purely reactive storytelling often leads to logistical delays, inaccessible sources, and technical hitches. A clear blueprint reduces that pressure, buying you the room for creative and impactful responses when things inevitably change during production. To build a bulletproof narrative that cuts through corporate or tech hype, your blueprint needs to include what we call the 3 voices. The first and most important one is the central character. They are the innovator who built or owns the tech. Then there's the impact character, who is the end user whose life was transformed by it. Third is the independent expert. They are the objective professional authority who gives the story credibility. We'll show you how to package those perspectives using the agency method. We call it that because it forces you to think like a full-service production house. Instead of shooting a basic one-off video or using generative AI to write a post, you will learn how to gather a complete toolkit of media assets, interviews, footage, photos, audio, and data, so you can easily repurpose your content for any platform or client. In this module, we're going back into Vicky and Okui's fictional case study of Afrosonic-Vault. They shared that training scenario in the Module 1 quiz. It follows Tunda Banda Nyunzu, the Nigerian producer turned developer, whose African AI platform recovered over $1 million in unpaid royalties for African artists. If you need a quick refresher on his story, click the link in this video's description. By the end of this module, you'll know exactly how to map your characters and content. Plus, you'll build your second custom AI assistant, the African AI Story Coach pre-production tool. Let's begin.